So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, please hit the like button. So basically, as many of you don't even know about this channel and you did not found it, and in my yesterday Instagram story I have mentioned ki, like I have a YouTube channel which none of you have idea about. So today I thought ki, let's just reveal it because I have hit 1600 followers, which is like I'm so grateful for, and I feel like this is the perfect time that I should share my story with you guys. So let's just go back in 2020 when it was COVID ka time, and corona tha, to we were not allowed to go outside. Everything was closed. Schools, college, hospitals, everything was closed, and we just need to live in a cage, like of all of us were living. And फिर TikTok came to India. फिर it was like TikTok craze everywhere. It was like TikTok. So I love making videos, and at that time I was like मुझे भी करना है, करूँगी मैं. तो मैंने किया, एंड मुझे लाइक ज़्यादा तो नहीं भाई, सबके 1 मिलियन 2 मिलियन 3 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स से, मुझे लाइक 300 से तब टिकटॉक बैन हो गया. एंड एट दैट टाइम आई डिड नॉट हैव एनी आइडिया कि लाइक और भी ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म है जिस पे हम वीडियोस बना सकते हैं. यूट्यूब का तो आई नो, बट आई वॉज नॉट रेडी फॉर यूट्यूब. बट उसके बाद जैसे कि इंस्टाग्राम था तो उसमें भी रील ऑप्शन था, बट आई डिड नॉट न्यू अबाउट इट. एंड लाइक हम जानते हैं कि जब टिकटॉक बैन हुआ तो many of those people who used to make videos on TikTok, they shifted to Instagram. But I was not among them. I did not knew about it because I wasn't aware that time, and we had like boats, so it was all over head, and I did not have a lot of time to shoot for it. So I was like, okay, maybe it is not my destiny. So I did stop it that time. एंड उसके बाद फिर लाइक इन 2020 ओनली आई स्टार्टेड मेकिंग कॉन्टेंट फॉर यूट्यूब. एंड उसमें पहले बहुत चलता था लाइक व्हाट आई ईट इन अ डे इन माई लाइफ. दैट टाइम तो आई यूज्ड टू मेक व्हाट आई ईट इन अ डे. तो आई डिड मेक लाइक इट, आई डिड मेक फॉर 7 days आई गेस. एंड उसके बाद लाइक वो बंद कर दिया मैंने बिकॉज माई मॉम यूज टू से लाइक you shouldn't be doing this, you should not, you have exams, you have a lot of things to do, this is not the thing you're prioritizing and all. So which I felt a little bad because I really love doing it. And तो मैंने बंद कर दिया, उसको ही बंद कर दिया मैंने. And फिर 2024 में one day I just came back to home from my college semester break, and I was just sitting scrolling, and I was like, I just got an idea, let's just do it, let's make a video. And उस टाइम मेरे पास था रियलमी का फ़ोन जिसकी क्वालिटी काफ़ी पुअर थी. इधर मैं वीडियो भी लगा दूँगी. तो ये फर्स्ट वीडियो थी मेरी. उसके बाद फिर एक डाला. उसके बाद मुझे लाइक क्वालिटी काफ़ी पुअर लगी. तो मेरे भाई के पास आईफोन था, तो मैंने उससे पूछा कि लाइक कैन आई डू दैट फ्रॉम योर फोन. सो ही वाज लाइक या यू कैन शूट इट. तो आई डिड शूट फ्रॉम हिज फ़ोन से मैंने किया एंड इट वॉज लाइक आई जस्ट लव डूइंग इट टिल टुडे. और फिर कुछ महीनों बाद लाइक आफ्टर अ मंथ ओनली माई डैड गॉट मी एन आईफोन विच आई एम सो ब्लेस्ड ऑनेस्टली, बिकॉज आई नेवर थॉट लाइक मुझे इतनी जल्दी आईफोन मिल जाएगा. बिकॉज बट आई वॉज सो ग्रेटफुल बिकॉज I wanted to shoot a video also, and for a video, your video should be like a high quality. So when I got, like, I was way too happy. Now also I'm so grateful that I have. That's why I'm able to shoot reel, because agar poor hota then because the first reel that I shot, it was very low quality. So like Instagram doesn't push that type of videos which are low quality. And no matter what, like we have like heard multiple times कि like quality should be better than quantity. So obviously, so now तो I have iPhone. And yeah, तो फिर मैंने स्टार्ट किया 2024 में स्टार्ट किया. जुलाई या अगस्त में स्टार्ट किया था मैंने, एंड आई वाज सो कंसिस्टेंट विद इट. एंड उसके बाद क्या हुआ, तो मेरी एग्ज़ाम थी आई गेस दिसंबर समथिंग. एंड एग्ज़ाम आती है तो लाइक एक दिन होगी, फिर 2 दिन गैप, ऐसे करके चलते रहता है, ऑल्टरनेट समथिंग 2 to 3 days गैप, समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो आई लिटरली स्टॉप पोस्टिंग इट फॉर अ मंथ. एंड उधर इससे पहले क्या हुआ था, तो बेसिकली माई रील, वन ऑफ माई रील गॉट लाइक 96,000 something views, which made me like literally shift. I was literally at 600 followers, and that reel made me push to 1,500 followers. So I was way too happy कि yeah let's go, I did it, something like that. And उसके बाद फिर वो एग्ज़ाम जब आया तो मैंने I did not post it for a month, which literally made my Instagram algorithm like shit. All went to negative followers, account reach, dashboard, everything was in negative. And till today I'm trying to make it positive, but now though I have it positive. And उसके बाद I am so way consistent with it because I just love making content, and I truly believe that since the day I started making content, there are a lot of people who you don't know them, but still they have made a place in your heart. And like we used to say like when we get into content creation, strangers becomes like our family. And I have a lot of like strangers who used to comment very very nicely, send messages very cutely, which I totally grateful for. And obviously there are a lot of phases when you feel like content creation is not that easy, because you have to be consistent every freaking day, no matter how your mood is. It should be like a daily thing. I believe like daily thing, honestly. I believe like posting it on daily basis actually. And उसके बाद जब ऐसा हुआ तो I felt so bad कि सब कुछ ख़त्म हो गया, everything is destroyed. But now though, when I've already decided 2025 आएगा, I will be consistent from day one. Day one means 1st of Jan, and I am. And because of that negative, it literally took me like 6 months to cover that. अभी रिसेंटली एक रील में गया था मैं 22,000 समथिंग व्यूज़, तो उसके थ्रू 1470 से मेरा 1600 तक आया. एंड आई एम ब्लेस्ड. आई फील सो गुड जब ऐसा होता है तो, बिकॉज and also I have received like 2025 is a great year for me, because I did a lot of PRs, and my first paid collaboration also I got, like it was just rupees 300, but still खुद का ही होता है. तो I am blessed, I am grateful, and I believe like content creation में जाओगे तो you might get like people are scared of getting hate comments even too, but I'm so blessed and I'm so grateful that my followers, they literally put a lot of efforts while doing comment. I mean, I usually get 1 or 2 hate comments, not more than that. So people are, in your case maybe you'll get, in my case also, maybe just because I have 1600 followers, so they are not a lot of the people who are hating me, but maybe if I hit 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, then there will be people who are going to hate me. But it should not bother you, because people really don't want you to become successful, and they just don't like it, because they are literally बैठ के फ़ोन चला रहे हैं, रील्स स्क्रॉल कर रहे हैं, and you are making reels. There's a huge difference between both. So they don't have any काम, बैठ के फ़ोन चलाना है 24 घंटे, तो they just feel like okay, कुछ काम तो है नहीं मेरे पास, तो चलो कमेंट कर देता हूँ मैं. तो it's just that I know it hurts, but let's just ignore them, because this is the life you got, and you have to make it count. You are here for yourself, not for them, and not for their needs, like, right? You just have to do whatever you feel like doing, and just think of yourself, not for them, because they are here just for the comments and negative comments even. So I would totally say, like, let's just ignore those type of people who do that, because they literally don't have anything to work. And initially when you start content creation, obviously अगल बगल के लोग, इधर के लोग, उधर के लोग, they will like, क्या हो रहा है, time waste हो रहा है. And the moment you start getting paid, the same people, they'll come and they won't ask you that how do you do that, how long will it take to do that, how much do you earn, sir, ma'am, please. You just have to be like, do not think about them. Honestly, just don't think about them, because जब I have started, तो मुझे नहीं लगा था कि like I did not start it for money. Honestly, I just felt good. I just love making content, so I did start it, and now I'm here, and now I really want to do it because of the money. I like it. I like making contents. I love making contents. But for a fact, we all know that the amount of money that we have in this field is nowhere. And this is the life that you have to be so fucking rich. So yeah, I hope you guys gonna like this video and just love this video. And to all my Instagram followers, those who all are watching it, I just love you so much. That's for the video. And yeah, if you want more story time like this, please do comment. Bye.